What's up YouTube? My name is Alex Valarosi and I'm a Turbo360 developer. Today I'm going to show you how to get set up on Turbo360 and clone into an existing project so that you can get started developing your own startup right away. The first step is to visit turbo360.co in your web browser. Go to the top right and click on Login and sign up if you don't already have an account. Put in my full name, email, and password. And make sure that we select that we are a founder. Now that we have a Turbo360 account set up, we can go ahead and start cloning into an already existing project so that we can use that as a starting point for our own project. Go ahead to the left-hand side and click on Community. In the menu bar, you'll find Apps, so go ahead and click on that. From this page, we can pick any project to clone into, and for now, we'll choose one that's free, so we'll go with the Beats project. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see Clone App. So let's give it a creative name. And then clone. Now you'll notice that the app shows up in our Turbo360 dashboard. You can see right away that the app is live by clicking on the staging URL on the right-hand side. Looks great, but we're going to want to customize this template with our own files. Turbo360 makes it easy to replace the images in the slider, featured text. You can also easily hook up a SoundCloud account or an Instagram. Let's start by replacing the images on the slider of the website. Navigate back to your dashboard and then click on Storage. You can upload a file by clicking on Upload File in the top right. Great, now that the image is there, we can click to view and then copy that URL. Go back over to your dashboard and click on Pages. So within Pages, we see that there's a number of keys here on the left-hand side which are mapped to certain values on the right-hand side. All of the keys on this page are mapped to an element on the template. So we can simply replace them and change out images, text, and other things on the page. So let's go ahead to slide 1. And we'll paste in our new URL to replace the one that was already there. And then we'll scroll down to the bottom and click Update Page. Okay, page updated. Now if we go back to our staging URL and refresh the page, great, we can see that our image was replaced. We can also replace the slide 1 header with our own text, and also the slide 1 text key as well. Let's take a look and see if the changes were made. Perfect. Now the next thing that we want to focus on is the more complex integrations like Instagram and SoundCloud. Turbo360 makes it super easy to integrate your social media such as Instagram and SoundCloud by using something called environment variables. We can see those available on the dashboard. So let's navigate back to the dashboard. Click on Overview and scroll down to the bottom. Cool, so you see Instagram username here. We can replace this Instagram username with our own public Instagram so that it could show up directly on the site. For now, I'm just going to use 2Chainz as an example. Go ahead and click Update, and then navigate back to our staging link and reload the page. Awesome. We see that 2Chainz Instagram was easily hooked up and all we had to do was put in our username. The next step is going to be to replace the SoundCloud that shows up under the new singles section. So go ahead and navigate back to your dashboard. Find the key that says SoundCloud user ID and paste in the user ID for any SoundCloud account that you want. So I have this one and I'm going to go ahead and update it. And then navigate back to the staging URL and show that it perfectly worked.